When we are building our investment thesis, we usually start by looking at two main factors. First, we start looking at what are the latest market trends and what are the latest market pulls. Put it in the other word, we want to know what is the next big demand that the technology can answer to that, or what is the next big problem that we can use technology to solve. On the other side, we also look at what are the latest technology trends. Do we have the required technology to solve that big problem today at the right level of maturity and at the right cost to solve that problem? Once these two come together, then there is always interesting investment opportunities. Now, let me give you an example. In the past couple of years, there has been multiple events which led to massive disruptions in the supply chain. COVID crisis was one example. We had the war between Ukraine and Russia, or put it more broadly, the political tensions between East and West. All of this led to massive disruptions in the supply chain, which then pushed the companies and manufacturing companies to think about bringing back the manufacturing as close as possible to main markets and shortening the supply chain. This is also in line with the sustainability goals that these corporations are setting for themselves. So we have seen this massive movement of manufacturing and bringing it closer to the main markets. Now, what does that mean for the developed country is that now companies have to manufacture in areas which there is a problem with labor shortage, and the wages are higher than developing countries. To remain competitive, one of the solutions for them is to invest more and more in automation solutions. Now, from the other side, when we look at the technology trends, in the past couple of years, we have made massive progress in artificial intelligence, in computer vision. All of those technologies are now available at the right maturity and at the right cost to build automation solutions beyond what is available in mainstream automation. To give you some examples, we are now looking at the startups developing robotic solutions for handling textile, something that was not possible in the past, bringing the automation really to the edge cases and automating more complex tasks. In another example, we have been looking at a company in the logistics sector, which use mobile robotics to go in and out of trailers and trucks for loading and unloading pallets, something which is very complex to develop, but today available and can bring this full automation into the logistics sectors. There is a lot of demand for that. We've been looking at companies recently using mobile robotics to print construction layouts in the job sites and avoid a lot of mistakes which can happen during the construction, and as such create a lot of value. So if you are a startup developing new solutions, or if you are investors looking to co-invest and looking for investment opportunities, then we should definitely talk.